Headed to Wyoming. We're gonna go to Grable and visit some family property up there the in-laws own.
Oh, that's right, China.
And they say there's an old Dodge truck up there that we could have. So we don't know the condition of it. And honestly, we don't even know if it's still there, but we're gonna pull the trailer down, and if it's there and worth bringing back, we'll bring it. If not, there's supposedly a 65, I think, Ford Galaxy there. Either way, this thing is not coming home empty. It's about 7 hours from where we are.
So are you ready to go or what?
I'm ready to go. Gotta bring the important stuff. Ready to go. My fuel gauge up there says 496 and half tank. My needle just stuck, so it looks like we're relying off that. Get in, I'm your Uber driver.
I'm your Uber driver. Get in.
I didn't order an Uber.
We've got one now.
I'm good, bro.
Oh my fucking.
We're out.
So a little backstory to this trip. This property has a couple of old cars on it, a 60s Dodge, but I'm hoping that it's not just a complete rust bucket. I definitely am wanting this Dodge to really pan out. This is my dad's grandpa's old truck. It would be kind of sentimental to have it rebuilt and put some money into it, so that's what we're hoping for.
Stopping a little early for fuel because I don't know what to believe. My overhead unit or obviously not the gauge. I'd take this over a Dodge. Suicide door Lincoln Continental.
If that Dodge isn't in great shape, at least we will be putting a different vehicle on this trailer and towing it back home.
Surviving.
Barely.
Got 2 more hours. Well, that was easily the worst night of sleep we've ever got. That was terrible. Still got another 2 hours. And I think we're stopping in Thermopolis for some swimming. What's next stop?
Breakfast.
Breakfast. Made it to the swim pool in Thermopolis.
We're gonna do the suspension bridge.
What do you call this?
The largest mineral, or the hot springs in the world.
Thermopolis, Wyoming. There's the pool.
Like you wrote.
The guy I worked with, him and his dad always come up here.
We made it.
Barely.
We're staying in these watermelon motels.
Well, we made it to the property. I can see the old truck. So,
At least it's there.
yeah, at least it's there.
didn't realize the freaking door off of it.
Yeah, it looks like the door's off.
It's missing the freaking hood, the doors.
The heck?
I don't know what the.
What is that? Stop.
All my years on the run,
We were definitely hoping it was more complete. So I don't know if it's gonna happen. The cars are obviously a no. Can't say we didn't try. And at least we made a trip out of it. But we're still gonna find something to put on the trailer. It ain't going home empty.
Update. We've literally been driving around this town just trying to find anyone with any square body trucks that'd be willing to sell. And we even posted on their 411 page on Facebook to see. We actually had a couple people interested in selling. Found a really, really badass square bodies Dodge Cummins. And it was a great deal for it, but it's a Saturday and the banks are closed. So now I'm like, how do I pay someone that doesn't have Venmo? So, I don't know. I don't know what the next steps are, so I guess we'll see.
All right, we found a truck Cass is gonna get. It's a 82 GMC Sierra. This guy up here in Wyoming was kind enough to let us into his yard and check out all of his stuff. He's got a bunch of stuff. I'm not gonna really show it because I don't know if you want that or not, but pretty cool. Here it is. Clean, pretty dang solid truck. The motor's got a knock, he said, but the transmission and transfer case are good.
Good old marketplace saved the day. They found some cool ones up here. I mean, this is kind of a lost treasure place for sure, but we did find one. I'm hoping it's in decent shape for a restore. Guys should be pulling up with it here soon. It looks like it's in pretty good shape. Not bad, not bad.
right, we made it back in one piece. The truck and trailer survived. There's our next project. You'll see Cash driving it down the road.
Thanks for watching.